Welcome to Art Lesson 1, the Toriyama Blueprint. In this video, we will focus on mastering face construction using simple geometric shapes, inspired by the legendary Akira Toriyama. Akira Toriyama is the creator behind global hits like Dragon Ball and Dr. Slump. His distinctive style uses clear, geometric forms to create characters that are instantly recognizable and easy to draw. Toriyama's work revolutionized manga design. His characters maintain a solid, consistent look from every angle, thanks to his foundation of basic shapes. Toriyama is the master of simple shapes. Instead of jumping into details, he started with a quote, skeleton of basic geometric forms. This approach gives characters a strong foundation and consistent look. We identify the geometric skeleton of the human head using a circle for the cranium and a triangle for the mandibular region. The orbital plane and vertical midline help map the features. Breaking down the face, the sphere, or circle, represents the skull. The inverted triangle is used for the chin, giving characters a heroic or youthful look. Finally, use rectangles for the neck and sturdy features. For feature mapping, use the vertical center axis to align the nose and mouth. The eye line, a horizontal line, ensures the eyes are placed at the correct height relative to the skull sphere, an inverted triangle jaw. Now, let's practice. Use a reference of Goku or Arale. First, draw a light circle for the head, then add an inverted triangle for the chin. Sketch your center and eye lines, then map the features onto your skeleton. Remember to keep initial shapes light. In summary, remember that every complex face starts with simple geometric foundations. Mapping features using guidelines ensures symmetry. Finally, changing the base shape instantly affects a character's perceived personality.